Selamat datang everybody, welcome to our tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today Lulu is gonna make a
nasi goreng.
nasi goreng, but I'm gonna make a sambal kelapa to go with it. The things you need for a sambal kelapa are 4 chili peppers, 100 grams of grated coconut, a handful of bigger coconut pieces, 2 teaspoons of trassi, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ketumbar, 1 teaspoon of galangal, half a teaspoon of kencur, 4 jeruk purut leaves, and 2 teaspoons of gula Jawa. While Lulu is making her nasi goreng, I'm gonna focus on my sambal kelapa. And sambal is an Indonesian chili paste, chili salsa. But this one is different because we're going to use a lot of coconut, grated coconut. It's going to look like a serundeng. Maybe you know serundeng. I made a video about serundeng too. But this is so super spicy. It's really nice. It's a great condiment for a nasi goreng. So that's why we're going to make it today. I'm going to start by cutting my chili peppers pretty fine because I want to make a nice bumbu. That's the herbs and spices paste for this sambal kelapa. So I need my chili pretty small, and I'm going to use 4 chilies, and of course you can use any kind. You can use the small ones that are more spicy than these. If you want to make your sambal less spicy, you have to take out the inside of your chili pepper. That's not the seeds that make the heat, it's the wider part where the seeds are attached to. That is the spiciness of a pepper. So if you don't like your pepper or your sambal too spicy, take out that part. I like my sambal really spicy, so I'm gonna leave them in. Many chili peppers. I'm gonna add these to my chobe, and that's my mortar I have here. You can, of course, use an immersion blender or a kitchen machine to blend all the flavors together, but I love to use this one. It's better mixed when you use a mortar, so the flavors come out better. I'm adding the trassi, that's fermented shrimp paste, and this is sugar from Jawa, and salt, and all the lovely powdered spices. Of course, you can use fresh ones, but powdered spices work really well in this sambal kelapa because in the end we have to heat it up and saute until it is dry. Now I'm making the bumbu. That smells good because of the kencur. I love that flavor. This is a tough part of the sugar, but it will break in the end. Yes. You want to try, Lulu? To use the chobe? Fun. The way to grind is like this. You make these circle movements, yes. And it's quite hard. You need a lot of elbow grease. Nice. Maybe this is one of my favorite herbs. It's a lovely, well, it's leaves. It's jeruk purut. It's lemon leaves or kaffir lime leaves, and this is what I do with it. I take out the inside, this, and then I just move it around a bit. We're gonna add this to the sambal. I've added some rice oil to the pan. I like rice oil because it has a neutral flavor. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and it's already hot. Now it's time for this lovely bumbu. We have to fry it dry together with the grated coconut, but that for later. So now I've added the kaffir lime, and the rest of the grated coconut can go in. Now we have to pay attention because coconut can burn really fast. So I'm gonna move it all the way. And if it goes too fast, we just have to take it off the heat. Low heat now. And just goreng, bake this together. Oh, it smells so good already. Look, I like this color. It's nice and golden brown. And if you like it, and if you can smell that the coconut is roasted, then take it off the heat. Don't leave it in the pan, because otherwise it turns too dark and then it becomes too bitter. I'm gonna place it on this piece of paper on a plate, and I'm gonna leave this overnight. You can eat it straight away, of course, but it needs to dry before you place it in a pot. This is Sambal Kelapa, one of the best condiments I know. Now we're done. I think so, Lulu. Yes, you're not goreng. Look at this. Well done. We're gonna add some to our lovely plate. Lulu made nasi goreng with shrimp, so it's super deluxe. I'm gonna add some extra pickles. I love sweet and sour pickles to go with the nasi goreng. We also made an omelette, because nasi goreng needs omelette. Look at this. And now the Sambal Kelapa. Ooh. Do you dare to try, Lulu? Because it's a bit spicy. But I think, of course, but I think you can handle it. Okay, dig in. Your turn. Good girl. Oh, looks good. Okay.
That's really good.
You can taste the coconut, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it mixes so well with nasi goreng. One of the best. Well done, Lulu. Great nasi goreng. Well done. Selamat makan. Bye-bye.
Bye.
2 teaspoons of ketumbar, 1 teaspoon of Laos.